In today's class, we'll be discussing about scripts in HTML. The script element in HTML. So let me show you how we make use of the script element in HTML. So firstly, the script tag is used to embed a client-side script, that is JavaScript, in on a web page. So now the script tag, we can use it to link up um, an external file that contain a JavaScript on our website, or we can place our scripts in between the script tag. So now let me show you what the script tag is all about. So let me make use of the tag. So the paragraph tag. So I'm going to create an ID. So when we get to CSS, I'll be explaining the meaning of ID, classes, and the rest. So, but let me just make use of it now. So let me say, I can give it anything. Let me say name. So now let me make use of the script. So now in between our script tag, now we are going to display what we want. So document dot get elements by ID. Don't worry, you will not understand what I'm writing now because this is JavaScript. So when you get to JavaScript, I'm going to explain more better. So going to be name. So we are getting the element by ID, that is the name, dot inner HTML equals what am I going to use? Let me say the tech guy. The tech guy. Now you see we have it here. You can see the tech guy as displayed on our website. So this is how we use the script tag in CSS. I mean in HTML. So please, I know you might not really understand the line of code I've written here because this is just pure JavaScript. But don't worry, but this is how you can make use of script tags. So when we get to JavaScript, I'm going to explain more on how to make use, how to make use of JavaScript in HTML. So thank you.